Hey everybody, and welcome to episode 22. It's a little bit of a sad episode. I'll tell you why here shortly. But we are finishing up the left and right inboard flaperons here in this video. So here shortly, a buddy of mine's going to come over and help bending these, the leading edges of these around and tacking, riveting them down, clecoing them, everything is quite difficult. It's definitely a two-man operation, and I know it can be done with ratchet straps as well. But I chose the two-man version. So my wife helped me with the outboard ones, the outboard flaperons, last week, and that went pretty well. This time I opted to have my friend Tom come over here and do the same thing. So I got my A4 rivets from Zenith delivered earlier in the week. I had the day off work yesterday, so I went ahead and took advantage of that to finish up these inboard flaperons. So that's what you see Tom and I doing here, using the sandbags to hold everything nice and level, and going through and putting all the rivets in the bottom, which is kind of actually kind of I guess it is the bottom. It's the bottom side of the flaperons. Um, but trying to see here exactly what's going on here. So yeah, just basically using the sandbags for weight to hold everything level, and once we have the metal bent around, the leading edge bent around and clecoed, then it's back down to a one-man operation for putting in all the final rivets, and that's what you see me doing here. Uh, Once you have the skin on there, then you can put the reinforcement brackets or L angles for the brackets on the end in, and call it a day. And the reason why this video is sad is I am out of parts. I have nothing to work on metal wise. I do have some vinyl wrapping to do, and I'm sure I'll shoot a video of that here coming up soon. But until the fall, I have no more parts to work with, so we're gonna be a little delay.